This no-peak chicken really lives up to its name, as it leaves such a pleasant aroma that you are almost tempted to give a peek while baking in the oven. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we'll be cooking no-peak chicken, and as the name suggests, do not lift and peek inside. Although very tempting, as the foil traps the steam and keeps the chicken tender and juicy. But before we begin, let's first hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing the cream of chicken and mushroom soup. So in a saucepan over medium heat, add a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, and once the butter melts, add 12 ounces of mushrooms and cook until softened. Then let's add a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour and stir until a chunky paste forms and a nutty aroma appears, which should take about 3 minutes. Let's then slowly add 3 cups of low-sodium chicken broth in a thin stream while constantly whisking to prevent lumps. After all the broth is added, let's again slowly pour 1 cup of whole milk in a thin stream while constantly whisking again to prevent lumps. Once the milk and broth are well incorporated, add 2 chicken bouillon cubes, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then stir until well combined. Simmer until the cream of chicken soup is both thick and creamy, which takes about 10 minutes, then set aside. Now preheat the oven to 350 degrees and prepare a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Inside this baking dish, let's combine 2 cups of uncooked long grain white rice, the cream of chicken and mushroom soup, 2 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. Stir everything until well combined, and let's now season 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Be sure to cut down cooking time by using thinner chicken breasts or chicken tenders. It will take about 1 hour to fully cook them. Place them on top of the rice mixture, and after doing so, let's prepare the dry onion soup mix. For this, let's add in a bowl dried onion flakes, low sodium beef bouillon granules, onion powder, granulated garlic, black pepper, dried parsley, celery seeds, paprika, and granulated sugar. The measurements will be written on the screen. Mix everything and then evenly spread it over the chicken breasts. Now drizzle a 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter over the dry onion soup mix and cover the baking dish with aluminum foil tightly. Let's bake until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit and the rice absorbs all of the liquid, which takes about 75 to 90 minutes. As the name suggests, do not peek during this process, as it will release the steam and affect the level of tenderness of the chicken. Now, if you prefer a cheesy chicken casserole, you can add shredded cheese on top of the casserole 5 minutes before the casserole is done. And be sure to let the cheese melt before removing it from the oven. After the time is up, remove the dish from the oven, uncover the baking dish, and garnish with finely chopped parsley. Serve alongside a salad or roasted vegetables and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check the description box below where you can view all the written steps, check notes, and even click on our website link at cozymeal.com/recipes where you can view and read more delicious recipes for your weeknight dinners. Also, please make sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and all your family. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.